Hey everyone, I have my other two grab bags from Heavenly Graphics. So here are the envelopes. That's the back. That's the front. And there is her gorgeous card with her name and phone number. Thanks for your purchase. Love your YouTube friend, Heavenly Graphics. Be yourself, nobody does it better. Let's move those to the side. Now these two grab bags, I got the bonus colored acrylics. So this one is Gold Rush. Oh my god. It's got a holographic gold glitter. So pretty. And both of them have Gold Rush, Starry Night. Look at that. It's ultra fine shimmer. And then Peachy Keen. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Love it. I hope that looks peach. It looks peach to me. And then Glass Slipper. Oh. Sheer. See that? Are you going to focus? There we go. God, that's pretty. Oh, there it is on the lid. And then Tiffany's Box. Oh wow. I am in heaven. God, I love grab bags. Okay, this one is Timeless. Just gorgeous. And I love that label too. And then these ones are a little bigger, so I think this is the nail bed. A splash of pink. So those are the bonus colored acrylics. And then first, or this would be the second grab bag, because I already did one grab bag. We got the dots, teardrop and heart with the texture on it in yellow, red, and blue. Okay. Zoom it in. Oh, look at this. Woohoo, holographic. It looks blue, purple. So pretty. And then green. I think this is just a shimmer ultrafine. And then a whole bunch of these rose-colored rhinestones. Some baby blue colored sand. No, it doesn't want to focus. Okay, I'll go back out. There we go. If I get that light, then you can actually see the color. Ooh, glow dust and aqua, which is weird because it looks yellow. But, and then we have some textured hearts. And these ones are little red ones. And then double stacked hearts, clear. And then the little flower hearts in blue. And then we have, what are these? Horse eyes, marquee cut faceted stones in red. And then these textured oval in blue. And then some pink with the gold iridescent teardrops. And then these AB cushion cut hearts. And some clear white double stack squares. And then we have some orange micro slices, neon orange, matte. And purple holographic micro slices. And matte pink spades. Ooh, it's pink holographic rhombus. And then these blue AB hollow hearts. And fluorescent blue pigment. And then these light pink AB square spangles. And then, oh my god, I love these blue holographic hexies. And then we have hearts, dots, and squares, and these are the different textured I like the swirly texture on them in red, blue, and peach. And some blood red hexies. Oh wow. Gray hexies. And I want to say matte, but they still have a shine to them, so. Ooh, 3D spangles, 3D art, what is that? Clusters with a diamond, a disco ball, what is that, amber, square and a rhinestone. And then this one, I don't know if that looks like a headdress or a peacock, but it's got a teardrop with a bunch of rhinestones on there. I love those. Oh, this one's got a pink diamond on there, or pink rhinestone. And then we have these little jelly, and then this orange semi-translucent flower with the rhinestone. And then we've got this blue crusty heart with the red double stack square. And some red sand. And then her mixes, marshmallow peeps, sprinkles cupcakes, springtime bliss, so what have I got now? 4 of these. God, I got lots of those. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, the grass is greener. Love that. And then the bunny surprise. And I love that it's got the little bunnies in there and then it glows purple. I think I want to take my nails off now and try that with something. So that's one grab bag. Let's move this stuff. Another grab bag. So it's got the same mixes. The marshmallow peeps, the sprinkles cupcakes, the bunny surprise, springtime bliss, the grass is greener. And then these rhinestones are that same pink. Oh, we have different color. Oh, purple with the white flower, textured heart, and the green double stack. And then the peach roses. And then this is that heart teardrop dot. The little rhinestone patterns on there. And not really clear, like a maybe champagne, blue, and this gorgeous purple. I'm saying purple because it looks purple too. And then we have neon pink, shiny, and then baby blue hexie. Red not holographic, just red hexies.